The United States Navy commissioned its new attack submarine, USS Colorado, SSN 788, into service this weekend. The powerful Block III Virginia-class attack submarine is the 15th vessel of its kind to join the fleet as they slowly replace the long-serving Los Angeles-class boats as the backbone of the Navy's undersea force. Our submarines are in high demand today and the expectations for Colorado are a mile high, ADMJ Franklin Caldwell, Jr., Director of Naval Reactors, said in his speech on March 17. In her lifetime, Colorado will travel for the globe. We cannot begin to imagine all the missions that she will be. Colorado's stealth, her endurance, her combat power, and her speed will ensure that our Navy remains in control of the undersea domain. Colorado is the 5th Block III Virginia-class attack submarine and the Navy expects to take delivery of 3 additional boats of the subtype in the next several years. The Block III version of the Virginia-class incorporates a number of improvements both to reduce the cost of the vessels and to improve performance. The Block III boats feature a redesigned Bower 12 individual vertical launch system, VLS. Tubes are replaced with 2 large-diameter Virginia payload tubes, VPTs, each capable of launching 6 Tomahawk cruise missiles. Meanwhile, a water-backed horseshoe-shaped large-aperture bow sonar array replaces the air-backed spherical main sonar array. Subsequent Block IV boats will have reliability improvements so that the submarine will not have to be overhauled as frequently. However, while Colorado and her sister ships represent the state-of-the-art in terms of submarine technology, it is the training and the skill of the crew that make these vessels effective weapons. Thus, the Navy invests heavily in training its submarine crews, especially as Russia and China step up their undersea warfare presence. This is an amazing group of sailors that are outfitted here. Every day we are doing something new for the first time. Just in the time that I've been here, I've watched the team transform into a high-performance team that is able to operate the Navy's newest and most capable warfighting ship at sea, in the harsh ocean environments, ready to carry out our mission, Commander Reed Kirk II, Colorado's commanding officer, said. I have seen them achieve greatness in qualifications and I have seen them build to a level of experience and expertise, ready to start executing the nation's missions and get through our initial tactical certifications and engineering readiness. As great power rivalry between the United States, Russia and China continues to heat up, submarines like Colorado will likely have an ever greater role to play.
Romeo 4, CP. Bridge Command Manager, path settings are selected to...
Yeah, I see it.
Bridge Command Manager, currently on Romeo 5, range 8,000.